everybody, it's Neil. And you ever go to like a stadium or someplace and you sit on the seat and it's just not comfortable at all? Well, this is ridiculously light. Great. Just throw it in the backpack or something like that. And it's going to give us the ability to sit on a seat and have some comfort. So let's check this thing out here. So this is kind of what it does. You can sit on the ground, whatever. Just super nice, light, comfy pad to take with us anywhere. And you see it's got the, the 4 there, and then I guess you can kind of set it up. 3 and 4. So I guess maybe it's 2 seats. I don't know. What is it going to do for this? Yeah, I guess just different sizes, whatever you want to do. So we have 2 of them here. So look at that. So we can just bring these somewhere and just sit on them and make them comfortable. And I'll just put it right here for a second, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So if I sit on this, it does. It's like a pad-aid. It's padding, so it's good. And then you can just easily fold them up. And look at that. You can just stick 2 of these. So if you're going somewhere where you're sitting on the ground or sitting on something that's hard, just take these, and you got the 2 little straps for them, so you can strap them up and keep them closed if you want, like that. Or you could even strap them together. Probably this strap would work to put them both together. Let's see if I can do that. So you can just keep them, and great for camping, great for just going anywhere. It's nice to keep. I'll probably put these in my car, so that if I end up somewhere where it's hard to sit down, I won't be sitting on the hard floor anymore, or hard ground, or hard seats, or whatever. So very cool. A great idea. And this is the little paper for it. So very cool. Thumbs up.